Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing to the extreme the Jabra Evolve 20 stereo noise cancelling headphones and mic. Okay, let's have a look at it. So when this arrived, it came in an Amazon box, an outer box, and inside the box was this plastic bag. Now I'm all about fuss-free packaging, so this is fine with me. Now apparently this is optimized for Microsoft Link and I'm going to be using it for Skype. So in the bag then we get this warning booklet in a million different languages. And we get this quick start user guide, which is pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory really. We also get the headset itself. It looks like some of the important bits are covered. And you'll notice this has got foam ear cups, not the leather feel ones. On the Amazon listing where I bought this from, it said it had leather feel ear cups. But obviously it doesn't. Also on the listing it said that you get a bag with this, like a little Jabra bag to put it in, which would have been really handy for me moving from site to site, but the bag didn't come with it, which is very odd. The headset's fully adjustable. You can adjust the headphone bit so you can go in and out, make it bigger and smaller, and you can tilt it left, right. And I think the mic also moves up and down, so it comes down to your mouth and you can push it away if you want. And I think you can bend it in as well, a little bit, to get it closer to your mouth. The wire that comes with this is 2 meters long, which I can tell you is plenty when you're on call conferencing. And you get this little remote in the middle, which has got a mute feature on it, which is very handy, a call button and volume up and down for the headphones. Right then, so the audio you can hear now is the actual audio coming through the mic, and I've got to be honest, I've listened to it back and it's not that bad at all. It is a bit blowy, so if you get some air on the mic it is going to blow there because there's no foam around it. But all in all, I've been on conferences with this, many conference calls, and people tell me they can hear me fine, no problems at all. It also has a handy feature if you're just listening for hours on end on a conference. You can just pop this out the way so you can drink your tea and carry on working, just like that. We can have it as an aerial. Also, the headphones, even though they're only foam on this model, they're quite comfortable. It's not too grabby towards your head. The ergonomics, well, I've got a shiny head, so it's never going to sort of fit to my egg-shaped head. But again, it's quite comfortable. You can adjust them, just the ear parts in and out, so you can move it around and get it comfy on your head. And all in all, it's pretty fine, it's not bad at all. Now on the control itself, you've got a mute button and you can press call to call somebody, and you've got volume up and down. They work really well. I've tried them while I've been on conferences, so you can have you've got like a secret mute. You can press the mute on here, but on the conference software it still looks like your mic's open, but it's not. It's actually muted locally. So not a bad headset. But what else can we do with it? So what I'm thinking is I've got some headphones, a mic, Down below me here, I've got a massive piano or keyboard, and I've got Pro Tools. Should we test it to the extreme? Okay, let's get a little reverb and a bit of EQ. Check, check, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's better. And unmute my piano. Somehow. There we go. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really matters.
So I'm not going to be strutting around on stage anytime soon with this. One, because it's not wireless, so the 2 meters wouldn't be enough really, unless it was a tiny pub. 2, because I can't sing, and 3, because it's not really stadium filling quality. But as a cool conferencing headset and mic, it's absolutely fantastic. So I would recommend, and I'll give it the thumbs up. Okay. See you next time. Bye.